Step 1. Search for and go to the Google Gemini website. First, open your browser and in the Google search bar, just type in the keywords Google Gemini. Once you're done typing, press the Enter key. In the search results, we will choose the first one, which is the official link for Google Gemini. Go ahead and click on it. Step 2. Start the upgrade process. Now we are on the Gemini homepage. Look at the top right corner of the page. You will see a blue button that says Upgrade to Google AI Plus or something similar. Just click on this button. Step 3. Choose the Google AI Pro free trial plan. After clicking, the page will bring you to the Google One membership plan page. Here you'll see 3 options: AI Plus, AI Pro, and AI Ultra. Our target is the one in the middle, the Google AI Pro plan. Please look carefully. It clearly states 0 ringgit for 1 month. This means the first month is completely free. Let's click the Get Google AI Pro button below it. Step 4. Add a payment method for account verification. A Google Play window will now pop up, asking you to add a payment method. Don't worry, this is a standard procedure for all free trial subscriptions, mainly to verify your account. As long as you cancel before the trial period ends, you absolutely will not be charged. We will choose Add ShopeePay as an example. After selecting it, click Continue to proceed. Step 5. Complete linking your payment method. The page will redirect you to the ShopeePay authorization page, where you'll see a QR code. You just need to use the Shopee app on your phone to scan this code to authorize and link your account. Once the linking is successful, the page will automatically redirect back. Next, the system will ask you to confirm your name. Just click Save. Step 6. Confirm and start your free trial. Okay, this is the most important step. This new window is for the final confirmation. Please check the details carefully. Under upcoming charges, it clearly says 1 month free trial. It also tells you the trial starts today and will end on December 10th, 2025. As long as you cancel before this date, you won't be charged. Once you've confirmed that all the information is correct, click the blue subscribe button at the bottom right. All right, the page now shows subscribed, which means your subscription is successful. Step 7. Verify that your AI Pro subscription is active. After a successful subscription, the page will show you've got Google AI Pro. Congratulations. Let's click Go to Gemini at the bottom to return to the homepage. Step 8. Important. Cancel the subscription immediately to avoid charges. To be 100% safe, I highly recommend you cancel the auto renewal immediately after you subscribe. This way, you can enjoy the full 1 month free trial without worrying about forgetting to cancel and getting charged later. Let's click on your profile icon with the Pro badge at the top right, and from the drop-down menu, select Manage your Google account. Step 9. Go to the Subscriptions Management page. On your Google account page, look at the menu on the left side and click on Payments and Subscriptions. Once you're there, scroll down the page until you find the Subscriptions section. Then click on Manage Subscriptions. Step 10. Proceed to cancel the subscription. Here, you will see the Google One membership you just subscribed to. Click on it. In the window that appears, click on Cancel Subscription at the very bottom. The system will ask for a reason for your cancellation. You can just pick any reason, or like in the video, select Decline to Answer and then click Continue. Finally, there's a last confirmation screen telling you that your benefits will last until the trial period ends. Just click the Cancel Subscription button to confirm. Step 11. Confirm the cancellation is successful. You will see a message saying you have successfully canceled your subscription. Your Google One subscription status will now show as canceled, and it will state that your subscription will end on December 10th, 2025, and that's it, you're all set. Step 12, recommended. Remove your payment method. For extra peace of mind, we can go back and remove the ShopeePay method we just linked. On the Google Play Payments and Subscriptions page, select the Payment Methods tab and then click Edit Payment Methods. On the next page, find your ShopeePay account, click Remove, and confirm it one more time. Now, your Google account has no payment details saved. Step 13. Search for and go to Google Flow. Okay, the AI Pro part is perfectly settled. Now, let's go and claim the Flow AI credits. Open a new browser tab, and in the Google search bar, type Google Flow. Click on the first search result, which should be the official Flow Google Labs website. Step 14. Log in and set up Flow. On the Flow homepage, click on Create with Flow. The page will ask you to sign in. Please make sure you use the same Google account that you just upgraded to AI Pro. After signing in, a few windows about user agreements and privacy policies will pop up. Just keep clicking Next and Continue to complete the setup. Step 15. Verify and check your AI credits. Once you're on the main Flow interface, move your mouse over to your profile picture in the top right corner of the screen. Look, in the menu that drops down, it clearly shows 1,000 AI credits. Congratulations, the credits have been successfully added to your account. You can now use them to explore Flow's powerful AI video creation features.